Welcome to Kids Fun TV 20. Hello kids, let's learn fruit name with me in Kids Fun TV 20. So let's learn together. Kids, this is an apple. Apple. This fruit is an apple. Kids, this is a mango. Mango. This fruit is mango. Mango. Kids, this is an orange. Orange. This fruit name is orange. Orange. Kids, this is a pomegranate. Pomegranate. This fruit name is pomegranate. Pomegranate. Kids, this is a banana. Banana. This fruit name is banana. Banana. Kids, this is a strawberry. Strawberry. This fruit name is strawberry. Strawberry. Kids, these are grapes. Grapes. This fruit name is grape. Grape. Kids, this is a guava. Guava. This fruit name is guava. Guava. Kids, this is a watermelon. Watermelon. This fruit name is watermelon. Watermelon. Kids, this is a cherry. Cherry. This fruit name is cherry. Cherry. Kids, this is a kiwi fruit. Kiwi. The name of this fruit is kiwi. Kiwi. Kids, this is a jackfruit. Jackfruit. The name of this fruit is jackfruit. Jackfruit. Kids, this is a lemon. Lemon. The name of this fruit is lemon. Lemon. Nice kid, you did a great job. Today you learned about fruits name in English. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Kids Fun TV 20. Bye bye.